Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today we have motion. This house believes that feminist movement should aggressively oppose the K-pop industry. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what have already been spoken by my first speaker of the closing government, ladies and gentlemen. And here I'm gonna give you one of the example that one of the example women who rebel against the K-pop world. One of them is Sulli, or the real name is Choi Jin-ri, ladies and gentlemen, as the ex of girlband on 2008, ladies and gentlemen. Also, what have already been heard by me and my partner from the other team really try to strengthen about the beauty standard, where actually on the other side it's just harming the people who do not have the same thing or like skin color that have already been told just now, ladies and gentlemen, in the status quo. Also, ladies and gentlemen, here by the discrimination of the K-pop in Indonesia, ladies and gentlemen, really what is that? With the solution that we have is to one of them is foster the spirit of the nationalism and instill the values of the Pancasila, ladies and gentlemen. Well, actually from the solution also, I'm so sorry, because my first speaker of the opening government didn't give you the solution of this. So I'm gonna give you, ladies and gentlemen. One of them is create more innovation that can interest millennial on the product, ladies and gentlemen, because that we know on the YouTube, in the content of that, many millennial, many Indonesian young generation follow K-pop contents on their YouTube, ladies and gentlemen, such food vlogger. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Here, one of the argumentation what I'm gonna bring is the morality decrease. Why I say so? Because let we see together. Performance contains a lot of nudity. Example, untitled feminist show. So I believe that when we are talking about the feminist movement, I strongly believe that. You ever heard about this title, Untitled Feminist Show, ladies and gentlemen? It's a theoretical performance created by Yang Jin Lee, showed that performance of feminism in nudity utopia, ladies and gentlemen. That contains also a fully nuded or live celebration of female identity, ladies and gentlemen. Where actually we as feminists should really keep our identity, because when we see a lot of the contents on the YouTube, such exactly the K-pop, ladies and gentlemen, our identity as feminists really decrease, ladies and gentlemen. And here also what have already been spoken by my first speaker, all human are unique. And here let me say that girl is more unique, ladies and gentlemen. Why I say so? It's not we are not only staying and we are not only be able in entertainment. We are not only able in being model and singer, exactly, ladies and gentlemen, but also we can stay in such as political education, such being a teacher, ladies and gentlemen. Why we must strengthen that feminist will so by the existence of this motion, feminist movement should aggressively oppose the K-pop industry. As woman surely oppose the K-pop industry, ladies and gentlemen. Also, I don't know which team that has already explained about the discrimination, ladies and gentlemen, and actually I am aligned with that. But on the other side, the discrimination itself is really connect with the identity of the woman, ladies and gentlemen. And here also also Human Rights Watch pick and such a video I watched many contents of the video do not really pay attention of the identity of the female, ladies and gentlemen. So, a violence woman privacy on 2005 and 2011 is not a little moment, ladies and gentlemen, because it still need a step by step to reach what they want. What actually the existence of the K-pop really bring good for the government, because they function the K-pop industry. What actually the government also do not think about the identity of the what is that of the people of that country, ladies and gentlemen. Also that we know from some of data. I believe that all of you have already known what BTS is, right, ladies and gentlemen. That we heard also, sir, 300 billion is their salary for the country. So the country really have really function the people, really function that industry. Where actually the population of the well, we know that the population of the female is more than the male, but we cannot. But it doesn't mean that we can function. The existence of women on reaching or fulfilling their desire, ladies and gentlemen, or for paying or the debt of the country, ladies and gentlemen. And here, I, as the government whip, we proudly purpose that, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.